Welcome back, students. So our today's topic is water pollution. You know that the water pollution is caused by washing clothes and utensils in the water bodies. Even the dirty water from homes and factories release into the water bodies. Some farmers use fertilizers in their fields, and that fertilizers are carried away by rain. Means whenever there will be the rain, then from the rainwater these fertilizers are carried away or moved away from the field and get mixed with the water bodies. Thereby it starts polluting the water in the water bodies. All these are the causes of water pollution. Now we will learn about the different ways to keep the water clean. So there are different ways. First one is, do not throw garbage in water bodies. Whatever garbage there, we should not throw that garbage in the water bodies. This makes the water clean, because if we will throw them, then that will make the water dirty. So we should always take care that we should take some measures which makes the water clean. Next one is, do not wash clothes in or near water bodies. That means we should not wash our clothes in the water bodies, because whenever we will wash our clothes in the water bodies or near the water bodies, then whatever the dirtiness or the germs were there in our clothes, that will mix with the water bodies, and when that water will be drinked up by the animals or used up by the human beings, they will cause disease to that animals and the human beings. Okay, next is, the dirty water from the homes and factories, that must be first treated at the water treatment plants and then allowed to go in to water bodies. Means first treatment should be there, and then that will be allowed into water bodies. Now the next type of pollution is soil pollution. Okay, so first of all we will learn how this soil pollution is caused. So whenever the harmful waste from the homes, factories and agriculture farms that mix with the soil, this will lead to soil pollution. Okay, that means whenever the harmful waste will throw into the soil and it will get mixed with it, it will lead to soil pollution. Now next is the ways to keep the soil clean. First is, we should not throw garbage here and there. If we will throw it, it will get mixed with soil and cause soil pollution. Next, we should not use plastic bags, because if we will use them, we will throw them anywhere and it will lead to soil pollution. So the best thing is, we should not use the plastic bags. Now the last type of pollution is noise pollution. How this noise pollution is caused? So first of all we will come to know what is noise. Loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. When the noise is loud and also it is not good in hearing, then that is known as noise. Now the noise from the automobiles, aeroplanes and factories will come and it will cause discomfort to people, then that results in noise pollution. Okay, so the ways to prevent noise pollution are, first of all we should always play the music system and the television at the low volume, and nextly we should not blow horns unnecessarily. Okay, whenever we need it, then only we should blow the horns, otherwise we should not blow the horns, and we should always play the music systems and the televisions at low volume. Okay, so these are the different types of pollutions and their measures to prevent them.